So I'm just taking advantage of the bright sunlight. I'm letting my bicycle repair stand completely dry. Maybe later this afternoon I'll assemble it and show you the new features of my bicycle repair stand. So this is the leg support of my repair stand. I'm also letting it dry under the sun. So the paint is now completely dry. We can now assemble the parts of the bicycle repair stand. This one goes here. So that you can adjust the height of the bike. This one goes here. So you can adjust the tilting of the bike. Of course, this one is for the bicycle clamp. You just have to place a nut and bolt here to be able to clamp it, and then you have to place the handle here. So when I was about to cut this, because it's long, I changed my mind because I can place another clamp here so that I can work on two bicycles at the same time. So I'll just put a clamping mechanism here, just like this one. So that's another project, but of course I have to place legs again there so that the bicycle, when you remove the bike from this part, the bicycle over here won't fall. So another leg like that, just like that. So I'll maybe in another video I'll show you how to make a bicycle clamp that can hold two bikes at the same time. So I found a scrap tube, so I can place the clamp here. I'll make another one like this. So now let's put the tightening bolts here and over here. I already placed the bolt here. Now this handle goes here. This one is for tightening the clamp. So I just screw it in. Right. Okay. Use the small angle bar here and a large angle bar there so that I can tighten or clamp thin tubes as well as thick tubes, because if the angle bars are both big, the thin tube usually falls down. So with this concept you can use it for thin tubes as well as thick tubes. There are frames, especially kiddie bikes, the seat post frames are seat post tubes are thin. Adult bikes, they're thicker. The thick frame so it can hold thin tubes as well as thick tubes. So this is the adjusting mechanism if you want to tilt your bike. So to let it stay in place, you have to place the bolts here, one here and one there. Now so that you can make the height adjustment permanent, again you have to place two bolts here. So I already placed the tightening handles here, and then here, and then here. So to adjust the height, just loosen this and then lift this part, and then to adjust the angle, just loosen these bolts and then tighten it when you find the right position. So let's get a real bike and test my new and upgraded bicycle repair stand. By the way, since it's composed of metal parts, it's heavy. So to make it lighter, if you're transferring it here to another place, just remove this and disassemble it so that you can uh, transfer it with ease in another place or another location. So there you can hold my bike. To adjust the angle, just move it like that, and then tighten the bolts there. Or you can just loosen this and adjust your bike that way. So if you want to tilt it up, just loosen this and then tighten them again. So we'll invert it so that if you're working somewhere there and you want your bike upside down, you can also do it. So here you can reverse your bike. So supposing you want to stand up here and work on your bike then, so just invert your bike and work on it. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah.